I would like to start off with a personal and direct apology to the family of Preston Lord.
One out of the 7 defendants facing charges for the beating death of 16-year-old Preston Lord choosing a plea deal instead of going to trial. On Tuesday, 19-year-old William Hines pleading guilty to manslaughter.
I pray for more plea deals so this doesn't have to go to trial, especially so Preston can get justice, but as well as teen violence in general, but especially for the family, because this is not easy and it's been an uphill battle.
In 2023, Preston Lord was beaten to death outside a Queen Creek Halloween party. After a months-long investigation, 7 people were charged in Preston's death. Following Tuesday's plea deal, I spoke with Bridget Vega, an advocate against teen violence who has worked closely with Preston Lord's family.
I think that was one big step of him standing before the court and apologizing to not only the Lord family, but to the other victims for his actions.
A lawyer representing the Lord family sent Arizona's family a statement saying, in part, this is a step in the right direction.
I would say this is definitely a step towards justice, as well as looking at not in just this case, but Preston's light and Preston's story has shined not only across our state, but he has impacted as well as so many other victims in teen violence cases.
And to the family of Preston Lord, I understand entirely how you may feel towards me. I'm not asking for anything. Rather, I pray that you can all find peace in your lives.
As part of the plea agreement, there was a kidnapping charge. However, that was dismissed. Hines will also plead guilty to aggravated assault and other unrelated cases that he's involved with. Hines is set to be sentenced on May 2nd, where he can face up to 21 years in prison.
So with this recent development, any update, any word on what is going to happen with the 6 remaining defendants moving forward?
That's right. So they weren't a part of this plea agreement. And while there are no court records showing that they're involved in their own plea agreements, we do know that they are set to be in court on April 7th. And that trial date is set for later this summer.
Such a high-profile case, it prompted legal changes at the municipal level. There's a bill working its way through the legislature now because of this case. We know you'll stay on top of it. Stephen Sarabia, thank you.